And one thing I might have done there would be to pre-wet the perlite to avoid breathing any of that dust. And now that I have my mix somewhat completed, I'm going to go ahead and wet it and mix it using this spade fork. Excellent mixing tool. It's almost like mixing concrete if you've done that. Just trying to create a blend and begin to suss out what our final needs are here. There's several other things I might add. This is some green sand minerals. No, that's finished compost, organic compost. We can inoculate that with some organic compost that someone else has made. And over here we have mineral called green sand, which is mined in New Jersey. And the green sand adds micronutrients to the mix. Some people would say with a good compost that's unnecessary. And now we're getting close to finished, and I'm going to either hand or tool mix the final batch until it's to my satisfaction. Sometimes we'll add and blend different batches of compost, so there's no such thing as a perfect recipe. We go by intuition, and then we observe the results.